All right, what's going on, everybody? So, in an interesting bit of news that I found out recently, apparently there's even more fighting games coming out in 2019 than I was aware of, at least at the start of this year. So, what recently got announced, I think last week, or maybe just a couple days ago, was a brand new Power Rangers fighting game, which I didn't even know was a thing that was being made. And I'm not even sure how many people are interested in this. I don't even know if I'm going to get it or not. I guess it depends on what I see over the next couple of months. I think it comes out pretty soon too. I guess it's based off of a mobile game, but it's not exactly like they're not just porting a mobile game on the consoles. It's supposed to be an entirely new, I guess, game into itself. I think it's 2-on-2. I'm not sure if it's 3-on-2 as well, but I know it has 1v1 and 2v2 action in the game. The gameplay doesn't necessarily look bad, but so far from what I've seen, there's nothing to make me sort of be like, oh my god, I gotta get this game. Maybe I'm not gonna lie, the nostalgia in me would be pretty hyped for this game if they added some of the villains from the series. I think I'd be more into it, like Rita, Lord Zed, or even if they randomly threw like a Ivan Ooze in there, anything crazy, I think I'd be into it. As of right now, though, all I just see is a whole bunch of different Power Rangers from all the 1 million iterations of the Power Rangers that's in existence since the early 90s. But yeah, there's that, which caught me completely by surprise a couple days ago. As you can see in this video, I'm actually doing a Power Rangers painting now. As it just so happened, I was entertaining the thought a couple weeks ago of actually drawing the White Ranger, because I drew the Green Ranger a few years back, and yeah, I kind of liked it. I wanted to draw another one, but I wasn't going to deviate from drawing Tommy, so yeah, I drew another White Ranger painting. I have a couple more that I'm going to be working on during the week. As I said before, I'm going to be creating more original artwork. So, and this is getting off track from the fighting game stuff for a moment, but I do have an original painting that I've sketched out that I haven't necessarily started painting yet. I'll show that off later on this week and talk about it. And I also have a couple of, at least I'm not sure if I'm going to do it this week or not, but I have some Royal Rumble inspired paintings that I want to do from last week's Royal Rumble. At least the painting of either Seth Rollins or Becky Lynch. I'm not really sure. It's been a while since I painted a member of the Shield, so I don't know, I may do that. So yeah, that's at least what I have coming up on the channel, at least as far as my artwork is concerned in the near future. But something else that I'm not gonna lie, I'm gonna end up talking about later on this week will be the results from the upcoming Combat Cast, which I planned on doing a video about last week, and it got postponed due to the weather, all the winter storms and stuff that was going through the country. They postponed the Combat Cast, but Kano got revealed. And it's a very young looking Kano too. He looks sort of weird. Maybe any other wrestling fans will be able to attest to this if they saw it. But to me, Kano looks a lot like Austin Aries. Like, I don't know if I don't know, because they've been modeling a lot of characters after like celebrities and people that actually exist. I just heard a rumor earlier today that the guy who played Shang Tsung in the movies is apparently supposed to be the basis for Shang Tsung in the new game, quote unquote, because there's still no 100% confirmation he's even in the game yet. But who knows what's going on? But and I seriously doubt that they would base a character off of Austin Aries of all people. But then again, maybe they would. I have no idea. It's NetherRealm, but he does look a lot like him. And they revealed two skins too. One of them is a sort of, like, he looks like a pirate. Like, I know no other way to describe it. I'm not sure if that's what it's supposed to be, because I heard it's supposed to be a Brazil-inspired design. But to me, it really just looks like a pirate. Like, I don't know if anybody knows what it's supposed to be. Please let me know, because I could just be extremely ignorant when it comes to this. But the hat and everything, like, I'm not sure what's with that Kano skin. But of course, anything that we don't like with the outfits in the new game, we can change it, which I'm absolutely loving. In any event, I'll save all the Mortal Kombat affection for this upcoming Combat Cast. But in the meantime, those are just the quick little things that I want to talk about. I'm not getting into the Super Bowl because I'm not happy that the Patriots won, and B, I didn't watch the Super Bowl, so I don't care. It's not like my team was playing in it. What I did do was, and I'm not sure if any other wrestling fans are watching this, I'd like to just know how many other people did this. I didn't watch the Super Bowl, but I checked the time of the scheduled halftime show, and I knew it was around 8 o'clock. So about 7:50 something, I actually cut on the network and was waiting for the halftime heat special that was supposed to air on the WWE network with the NXT 6-man tag. And I just watched that for the duration of the halftime show. And then I went back to drawing because the new painting that I told you that I was going to show later on this week, I was drawing that last night. I could care less about the actual Super Bowl. So I wanted to know if there was anyone else out there that like didn't watch the Super Bowl but just waited for like halftime just so they could watch that 6-man tag on the network, if there were any like weirdos out there like me. But in any event, that's all I wanted to talk about today. Just the bits of fighting game news that I came across. Like I said, that Power Rangers game was a complete shock to me. And then before I get out of here, there's a new Dragon Ball Z game that's coming out, which I'm not going to talk really in depth about that because I don't know what it is. Like, I just saw footage of it, and I guess it's like going through Goku's history, but I don't know. But anyways, I'm going to get off of this for today. I'm going to get to painting, and I'll have more content out for you guys soon. So y'all have a good one, and I'm out.